Steve here, Block Labs. Today we're working on a 2014 Honda Accord. We're doing a spare key. It's just a regular remote key. So it's going to do the steps and procedures to add in a new one. I'm doing a spare, or I got the customer's key in the ignition's turned on. Oh, sorry about that. The OBD port wasn't plugged in all the way. It was coming out of the car. Anyway, so we're gonna, in the Honda menu, we're gonna go to auto search, key in the on position. Okay, yep, 14 Accord, private, okay. Display the key. So we'll turn on screen recording. Okay, yep, and on 22, it doesn't matter. Ignition is on already. Okay, root. All right, we have a key. Go to add a key. Already got it on with the original key. All right, it's got to turn this on. Then we're gonna turn it back on. So we're gonna turn it back off. Then remove it. Then we're going to turn it on with the next key that we want to program. And then off. And back on, to make sure when you're turning it on and off, you wait for the relay click. Don't just do it quick. You want to turn it off and then wait for the click. There we go. Insert it. On. Mobilizer light is off. Yep, no mobilizer light. Turn the ignition switch off. Turn it back on with the original key. Okay, that's that. Put it on, turn it on with this key. There we go, all set.